Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Si es la primera que ves mi cara bonita, bienvenidos. In today's video, I'll be unboxing these presson nails and eyelashes that was gifted to me by Allthingschic. You can check them out on Instagram. So in this video, I'll be doing more like a tutorial on how you can apply your presson nails. These presson nails, it has 24 nails in it with pretty colors attached to it. It is super easy to apply and remove. It also comes with the instructions behind it, so I'll just leave you all to watch the rest of this video. It also came with a nail glue and a buffer, I guess that's what it's called, that small thingy over there. So basically what I'm trying to do here is try on the nails to see if it fits on each of my fingers. And before you apply your press-ons, don't forget to prep your nails. Make sure to clean them up with alcohol pads, or you wash your hands thoroughly. So I washed my hands and cleaned my nails with a cotton. Next thing I'll be doing is apply the adhesive tabs to my natural nails. So this is actually pretty easy to install. First of all, I peel off the feel that was used to protect the adhesive. I put it on my fingernail. Make sure to pick the right size. I press it firmly, smoothen it properly, and then peel off the film. After which I align my press-on nails with my cuticle, and then I press it down firmly, starting at the middle and then each side. So I'd advise you smoothing out your adhesive all over your fingernails for your press-ons to last longer. So I'll be doing the same thing. I'll be repeating the same process for all 9 other fingers as well. Don't forget to check out the right size of each adhesive for your nails, as each adhesive comes in different sizes depending on your nail size. So a very important tip that you must follow after applying your press nails are avoid contact with water for the first 1 hour. I mean, you would want this to stay as long as you want it to, and for you to remove it, it's quite easy and simple. Just soak your fingers in warm water for 5 minutes, and yeah, gently peel it off. So the next thing I did was trying out my glue that these press-ons came with. So I applied the glue to the back of my artificial nail. I also applied some amount on my natural nail as well, and I aligned the press-on with my cuticle, and I gently pressed it and held it for some seconds, and yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back once again. I really do appreciate. Muchas gracias, and see you in my next video. Ciao.